cow face pose helps induce relaxation and release tension. It stimulates the kidneys and relieves symptoms of diabetes. Please remember to consult your physician before starting any new practice. Bend the right leg, let the knee face forward, and then stack the left leg on top. And you can use your hands to give it a little nudge to bring the knees together as much as you can. And if the knee doesn't come directly on top of the lower knee, that's absolutely fine. Just bring them as close as you can and then stay there. Palms onto the ankles. You're going to inhale, lift out of the pelvis, coming nice and tall, and exhale, start to bend forward, allowing the chin to come outside of the knee. Letting the belly press against the thigh. The hips stay grounded into the mat. And then inhale to come back up. And then we'll do the same thing onto the other side.